China's leap into the forefront of CNC technology heralds a new era in manufacturing, transforming from a reliant importer to a trailblazer in innovation. How will this groundbreaking shift in the landscape of industrial machinery impact the global stage and redefine the future of manufacturing? Stay tuned, because this is just the beginning of a manufacturing revolution that promises to reshape the world as we know it. In the realm of industrial prowess, the significance of CNC equipment cannot be overstated. These CNC, or computer numerical control machine tools, often referred to as the industrial mother machines, serve as the linchpin for the production of countless high-end products, ranging from small screws to colossal automobile molds. Indeed, the existence of many of these products would be inconceivable without the pivotal role played by CNC technology. Historically, China found itself heavily reliant on European and American technology when it came to CNC equipment. The nation had to import such machinery at considerable costs. However, times have changed dramatically, and China's technological landscape has shifted. A reliance on CNC machine tools and significant advancements in technology have become integral to the growth and evolution of China's manufacturing industry. Previously, China leaned heavily on importing high-end manufacturing equipment, including CNC machine tools. Today, through independent research and development initiatives, China has made substantial strides in this domain. Chinese CNC machine tools now not only rival their foreign counterparts, but have even found themselves on the list of prohibited imports in some Western nations. Western countries, particularly Germany, Spain, and Japan, have long held a dominant position in CNC technology. They possess a rich reservoir of knowledge in critical areas such as CNC systems and intelligent control. Their products exhibit unparalleled quality, precision, and reliability, earning them accolades within the industry. This reputation translates into more orders and opportunities for collaboration with European and American companies. Consequently, China's access to cutting-edge CNC equipment has been constrained, posing challenges even when financial resources are abundant. In today's industrial landscape, CNC equipment assumes a pivotal role. To attain industrial prosperity, China must address this challenge head-on and take control of its CNC destiny. Fortunately, Chinese scientists and researchers have risen to the occasion, pioneering cutting-edge technology. Led by Professor Zhang Hao, a team of Chinese researchers and institutions has made significant strides in CNC machine tool development. They successfully created an integrated 3D printing CNC machine tool capable of casting, forging, and milling, a true technological breakthrough. This innovative equipment amalgamates multiple processes, enabling the integration of casting, forging, milling, and 3D printing technologies. It took 15 years of dedicated effort to develop this groundbreaking integrated casting, forging, milling, and 3D printing processing equipment, which elevates China's machinery industry to an international standard and fosters independent production of CNC equipment. The fusion of casting, forging, milling, and 3D printing into a single advanced processing machine constitutes a monumental leap forward. Unlike traditional CNC machining, which necessitates separate processes for casting, forging, and milling, consuming time and raising quality concerns, this 3D printing CNC machine tool streamlines operations. In addition to casting, forging, and milling, it harnesses 3D printing technology to process intricate shapes and components, facilitating rapid prototyping and customization. The integration of these capabilities promises heightened manufacturing efficiency, precision, and self-sufficiency for China's manufacturing industry. The significance of this technology transcends industries. It has vast applications in aerospace, automobile manufacturing, quantum computing, and numerous other fields. Such high-end CNC processing equipment, with its broad-ranging potential, has prompted China to include it on its list of prohibited exports, safeguarding the technology and securing China's competitive edge in this sphere. This watershed moment marks China's transition from dependency on imports to a position of technology leadership. China has not only become a contributor to the global manufacturing industry, but has also fortified its standing as a formidable player in the CNC machine tool domain. CNC machine tools, often referred to as industrial mother machines, are the linchpin of high-end product manufacturing across various industries. China's historical reliance on imported CNC equipment has evolved into a transformative era of technological self-sufficiency. The successful development of integrated 3D printing CNC machine tools that encompass casting, forging, and milling marks a pivotal moment in China's journey towards technological leadership in the CNC machine tool industry. This innovation not only enhances manufacturing efficiency and precision, but also safeguards China's competitive advantage in the global marketplace. China's ascent from an importer to a key contributor in the CNC machine tool field underscores its commitment to shaping the future of manufacturing technology. What do you think the future holds for China's manufacturing industry, given its recent advancements in CNC technology and the development of integrated 3D printing CNC machine tools? How might this innovation impact not only China, but also the global manufacturing landscape? Feel free to share your thoughts and perspectives in the comments section below. Don't forget to become a part of the Revel Discovery community by hitting that subscribe button to stay informed about the latest technological advancements and innovations. Remember, as we delve into the realm of technology, the possibilities are limitless, and the future is filled with exciting discoveries. Keep exploring.